afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm Iman Hazar Abbasi. Most of you must be knowing me. But for those who don't, I am ex-Iranian and I did my matriculation from this school. And currently I'm doing MBBS from Avicenna Medical in Denver College. And I'm a second year by the way. I felt extremely honored and prestigious when I received invitation from the management of this institute. Then I decided कि भाई अपने स्कूल में बुलाया टाइम को क्या नाम जाना तो पड़ेगा. Okay. As Allied School, China's campus is having a legacy of conducting such managed and prestigious functions. Marshall. And now they're having their ninth food taking ceremony. Such a proud moment for being an alumni. I remember back in 2016, we were in the cabinet of 15 to 20 people. And now I was witnessing that this cabinet has increased to 150 to 200 students. What a proud moment, seriously. Marshall. I feel very proud for being here. Do you know what is special about this institute? Wait, I'll tell you that. This institute offers a perfect blend of academic and co-curricular activities, which make this institute a hallmark, which not only makes the student confident, but also contributes majorly in the personality building. I assure you that the students of this institute stands with distinction in their every aspect of life. So let me explain with an example. क्या करूँ साइंस स्टूडेंट्स ना तो एग्जांपल्स के साथ एक्सप्लेन करने क्या करूँ. I'll explain you. In MBBS examination system, it's a bit different. There are theory exams, and with the same marks, there are Viva exams. Now I'll explain what is theory exam. In theory exams, like we have to write up the paper like normal papers. And in Viva exam, there is an examiner. You sit in front of the examiner, and they ask you the questions, and you have to answer them perfectly. अब बहुत सारे मेरे क्लास के लोग हैं जी, they are माशाल्लाह very bright, बहुत अच्छा दिमाग है, बहुत अच्छी स्कूलिंग है, everything, knowledgeable भी है, सब कुछ भी है. But वो क्या कहते हैं कि यार theory तो अच्छी हो जाता है, we score good marks in theory, ठीक है, even they have distinctions in theory. But we fail to attend the Viva exams. Viva exams, which are verbal exams, right? We fail to attend the Viva exams. Q. And trust me, I always score good marks in Viva exams rather than the theory exams. I'll let you know why this happens. हमारे स्कूल Allied School China Kim campus. As I said before, that it is a perfect blend of academics and curriculars. They have made us this much confident कि हम जहाँ भी चले, people let us move towards that stage कि भाई आपकी public speaking बहुत अच्छी है, इस stage पर है. हम इतने confident हैं कि अगर नहीं भी आता ना तो इतने confident से हम examiner के सामने बैठते हैं कि they do हमें मतलब वो extra marks मिलते हैं. So difference यहाँ पर आता है कि their school didn't work on their set skills, their verbal skills, their confidence, their personality building, and their personality ones. Our school has worked on them, and this is why I always score good marks in Viva than in my theory exams, which helped me a lot. Also, it also helped me in all my practical life interviews. It made me like my university exam interviews and all. So, this is the reason why I always acknowledge this institute for being a perfect blend of academics and vocal. Also, this institute always has a speciality that they focus personally on my students. इनको पता है कि हर student का weak point क्या है. Let me explain with an example like one. I've always been very weak in Urdu and maths. I'm also good in Urdu and maths. Whereas the science subjects were my specialty. Mr. Rabia, my maths teacher, Mr. Rabia, I do respect you from the core of my heart. I love you. You have a very, very special place in my heart. She was our math teacher, and I do remember the exercise 5.2 of 9th class mathematics. Factorization it was. And I was able to learn that. And my attitude was, कि चलो नहीं होता तो नहीं होता, मैं क्या करूँ नहीं होता. Which literally what she did, you will like amazed. She literally, मैंने मेरा कान पकड़ा. She took me to the boys section and made me sit in front of boys section and say, "Karo, yahan baith ke karo." And I was so embarrassed. I was literally so much embarrassed. If आज भी सब हो सकता है, factorization. So this was my teacher. It was not just सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं था. It was for everybody from my batch. It is for everybody from your batch. So parents, I really request to respect this institute, to respect this administration, and everybody who is working for your children to make their future bright, because they really are. हम इस इंस्टीट्यूट से निकलते हैं ना तो अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स में काम किया, पढ़े, पंजाब कॉलेज, इंटरव्यूज लिए हम डिफरेंट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटीज में गए. वहाँ पता चलता है कि इस इंस्टीट्यूट में इस तरह से बच्चों को संभाला हुआ सच और कहीं भी जा अपने आप को लुक डाउन. Now, last week we were having a music fest in our university, and you won't believe what happened. Even management committee के जो general secretary हैं, I have got a good voice by the way, alhamdulillah. Even management की secretary हैं, he came to me just a day before he said me कि Iman, आपने comparing करनी है, and you also have to prepare a solo performance. And you can't believe there wasn't more time than 24 hours. So 24 hours से भी कम time था, and he was saying